Hi, Bumi. Say hi, guys. We are in the...
Filipino language to guys.
Oh, nandito kami sa playground, guys. Ay, you must copy me very well. Nandito kami sa playground, guys. Ang daming lamok, guys. Ayan, guys. Ang galing niya magtagalog. So, you speak properly. So, ayan si Mr. Chief. Hi, Mr. Chief. You sit down here. Okay, Mr. Chief is here. So there, Chief is sitting on there. So you just sit down there, okay? Just stay on there. So, ayan guys. Nag-exercise tayo guys. Yeah. The mosquito. Don't fall down. Ganito ang exercise natin guys. Guys, nabaliktad. No, my towel become dirty. Oy. Later, no more battery. So, ayan guys. Mababaliktad na naman.